contract marks and rules. It starts out with a title, 25 years. But then this little thing here, and this is why it's so important for people to understand, you need to have council members that, you know, are able to examine and understand some of these issues, in particular these agreements, these contracts. And so that evergreen clause that's attached to the 25 years, what it means is every year in November the 1st, that contract has a sort of a birthday. And it automatically gets renewed, whether the mayor or a citizen or anyone says anything about it, it gets renewed to 25 years. So it never drops. That's what the evergreen means. It never drops. And so going forward, it's done until you get a city council that's fully engaged and says, okay, let's work on the evergreen. Let's withdraw that.